Hey there everyone, I hope you are all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to equip pins in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's find out. So first way we can go to the shop, and if you have enough gems, you can just go to the cosmetics section. So once you reach here, you can click on this catalog, and as you can see, these are the pins that I have available here for the brawlers. Some of them are still unavailable. Alright, so as you can see, these are the pins here. And another way that I will show you is to click on the character and then click on it, click on the brawler again, then go to this section here in the middle, and as you can see, these are the pins that you can select and equip to use in your battles. So you have 3 slots here, so I will just select this one, and if you have gems then you can just simply buy it from here, but right now I do not have enough gems, so I cannot buy it. You can also use the player pins if you want. These are for free, so I will just select this one and I will select this pin here. So this way you can buy the pins and you can equip them. So that's how you can do it, and when you will play, it will show you in your brawler. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.